In this video, I'll show you how to know my 1xBet ID. This is very easy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional 1xBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, 1xBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. If you want to know your 1xBet account ID, here's what to do. Click on Menu and then click on Profile, Personal Profile at the top left corner. Once you're here, you're going to see the first option here that says account number and then ID 115. That is your 1xBet ID. So if you see yours here, that's your 1xBet ID. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.